Today I want to talk to you guys about this baby product. It is a Frida Nose Sucker. It has 3 suction levels with that, which I absolutely love. It comes with 2 different toppers here. One is for a small nose and the other one's for a bigger nose, a wider nose. It also comes with this, which is where the snot and stuff goes. And you grab whichever nose topper that you want. This one's for smaller noses. You just put it in to there, and then the other one's for bigger. And you're good to go. It has the charging thing right here. It comes with the USB Type-C charger, which is also great. And then to turn it on, you just press this button right here. This is the first level. And then if you want to go up, second level, third level, and it's just the suction power. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's not loud at all. I love that it's quiet. Also, it has a light function here. Lights up pretty well. And then you just hold it in to turn it off. It also comes with this to where you can clean it and whatnot, which I love that because snot is gross. And then also it comes with this case so that you don't lose anything. So I just put that back in. You see it has these little things here where you can put these in like that, and then they'll stay in and they won't fall out, so then you don't lose them. And then you take this thing off to take it apart, put it in here just like that. This one goes right here like that. And then my charger's plugged in, but you can also just put the charger. I always put it back here, but you can put it there too. But look how organized that is. And then you just put the lid on top. And you can travel with this, which I absolutely love. It's not too big, so I can put it in my luggage or whatever I need. I personally love this one because my son has big adenoids and stuff, so it's harder for him to breathe. So we use this suction for his nose to get all the snot and stuff out of there to kind of help him with that. But personally, I would recommend this product.